What up guys, Calvin Skinner coming back to you with another video. Stoked to be back. This time I'm fortunate enough to receive a box from Hopkin Skate, which always excites me because Hopkin always sends me unusual and great things. I think I should just jump into it. I'm really excited for whatever's in here. It's probably skate gear. Skate gear is some of my favorite shit in the world. You guys can see it before I do. Ooh, it's some pink shit. Okay, we'll start with this before we get to the exciting stuff. Get the puck out of here. No guessing what these could be. So these are some Atopic Hover pucks, which I'm definitely down to give it a try, and they're a similar shape to my Ojims, maybe even a lower form factor, like smaller, which is kind of nice. I like small pucks. Small pucks are great. Christmas bushings. That's always exciting. Nice to have freshies when you have new trucks. Oh my goodness, what did this man give me? See, this is actually what I needed, some fresh hardware. Some flathead hardware. 1 inch. Maybe try some different shapes. What are these? I wonder. I actually have no idea. Oh crap. These are some barracles and some kegs for the rear of my truck, because I always run Christmas in the front, but I've never tried bushings like this before. I can't believe what these are. Paris Savants 165s, which might be some of the coolest trucks on the market. Gosh, they're wide. They might be some of the coolest trucks on the market. Well, that's confusing because one of these says Savant and one of these doesn't. That's a gold Paris. I think he sent me the wrong trucks. Literally the next day. So we had the issue of one truck arriving, one Savant, and one normal Paris. Now Hop has some of the best customer service in this industry, I think, because the next day he sent me the truck he accidentally didn't send. You know, mistakes happen, but if you were this quick to fix them, you deserve all the respect. So we now have 2 sets of these fine trucks from Paris. Very excited, very stoked. So he also sent some Venom barracles, some of the new Venom kegs, and a set of green barrels and a set of red barrels. So let me set these up. The cool thing about these trucks is they are 165, which means they're much narrower than the usual 180. I was previously riding Arsenals that are 180 truck, and they were 45 plates. These are 43 plates, so they're slightly lower. 165 is also slightly narrower. I'm currently on a board that's 9.6 at the widest and tapers to 9.2, which means it's slightly narrower and it can really handle this sort of truck. If you're skating a wider board, you kind of want to be on like 180, so if you're skating like 9.75 to 10, you kind of want to be on a wider truck. But if you're going narrower than 9.75, then you can really try something a lot smaller. So I'm looking forward to trying these. I've never ridden a smaller truck, so let's see how it goes. honestly, with my style of skateboarding, I get to like bounce pretty much everywhere and have so much fun. I don't know, they're just really fun surfy trucks. If you like surfy trucks, you should try a narrow surfy truck. You'll have a really, really fun time like I just did. Check out Paris Trucks. Definitely check out Hopkins Skate. Go chuck him some love for sending me these and making a really fun video, because this is probably the most amount of footage that has ever been filmed of me. So, I'm super stoked. Hope you guys are having a great weekend. Hope you have a great week. Subscribe. Check out the East Co-op. Check out Hopkins Skate. Check out Remember Collective. Thank you guys so much. Love you heaps. Go have fun on your skateboard. I will talk to you later.
I'm sorry for wasting SD card space, Calvin, but you.